Hello and happy July 5th. July 4th is how I started out yesterday's ride, but I'm not posting any of the video from it because it was just yesterday bad. Yesterday I hopped on the bike about 6:30 in the morning, and it was a beautiful morning. I have video of a deer jumping out in the road in front of me. That was the first sign that I shouldn't be on a motorcycle. Then I saw the first cop, then I saw the second cop, and I'm talking back roads. I'm talking back roads at 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm seeing law enforcement everywhere. And then about 7:30, I pulled into the gas station, and there's two cops sitting in the gas station. They're chit-chatting, blocking pumps. So I get gas, and at this gas station, my radar detector always goes off. Well, I had put a new radar detector on this bike here, and it was beeping. I could hear it beeping, but nothing was flashing in my eye. So I'm like, all right, well, I'm gonna keep going for a ride. And I topped off the tank, and I probably rode another 5 minutes before I saw even another cop. And I said, no, today's not the day. July 4th might not be the day to be riding in the mountains. If before 8 o'clock I've seen this much law enforcement. So I turned around and headed back to the house. Put a working radar detector on the bike, tested it, and I did other things. And yesterday ended up being a really nice day. I got a lot done around the house. But it rained last night, so when it rains in the mountains, there's heavy fog until about 8:30. So I got a late start. I can't really see the clock right now, but I'm guessing, yeah, it says 9:30 right now. And don't get me wrong, there's a lot of people out. July 5th, there are a lot of people out and about. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of people out today. This is another reason why I go riding at 6:30 in the morning. All these people are in bed. But hey, thanks for listening to my rant. I'm going to go ahead and click off because I'm pretty sure you guys do not want to see me going through the mountains behind a truck that looks like it has a bunch of Harleys on it. Because why ride a Harley when you can trailer it? So, yeah, I'll talk to you later.